third one for today, and hopefully forever, because I can't keep doing this. Okay, let's see what we got. Come on, ecstasy. I want ecstasy so bad. Oh, I didn't get ecstasy. Whoever she is, she's fire. I don't know who this is. Who is this, you guys? This is Vigilance Girl. She is so cute. I'll take her. I'll take her any day of the week. I didn't get any repeats either. I looked up. She's so cute, huh? I'm going. And we're back. Whoever came up with these is a genius. Let me know in the comments if you guys are collecting these and which ones you have and which ones you want.